Hello all. Did you see this intro video? Is it useful? Yes. Now let's see how to prepare this intro video by using Animoto. Okay. So we can easily prepare any video professionally by using Animoto website, right? So this is a web online application where we can simply edit the text, picture, sound, animation. Okay. So we can make it our own based on our need. Okay, so for this no need to install any software, no installation, right? So simply if we have a Gmail ID, we can sign up the process, and we can create account by using Animato. Okay, so many videos are available. Okay, if you want to update for paid versions, we will have more time. Okay, otherwise we can prepare in free version itself. Now let's see how to create account and how to edit the video. Let's see. Okay, for that you have to go to sign up free. Okay, you have to click sign up free. You can see this window like this. Okay, so I have already created account. If you want to create sign up, so just click by using a Gmail ID. Okay, then you can select it. Okay, now just I click here. So this is the login. So where I have to login, right? So if I click login, so it will ask the Gmail ID. Okay, so sign up process is also the same. Okay, let me select this Gmail ID. It will move to the next page. Okay, I have clicked my Gmail ID. Yes, so this is the uh, home page of Animato. Okay, so you can find many videos. So education presentation, assignment instructions. Okay, back to school, and many pre-made templates are available. So only thing is we have to select, and we have to edit our own need. Okay, now let me select this self introduction. Okay, I'm going to concentrate only in the self introduction. Okay, so let me click the self introduction. Yes, so this is a pre-made video. Okay, yes, so this is the video we are going to edit, and we have to prepare on my own video. Okay, for this we have to select this choose template. So we have already selected the self introduction video. Okay, so after preparation you can share it to YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Okay, so you can use for personal education, community, and cause. Okay, so let me select this choose template. When you click this choose template, so it will take to the area where you have to edit your picture and text. Okay, so yes, so this is the place where you can edit. Now you can see the slides. So at the left top corner you can find this name of the video. You can edit the video name. Okay, for example, self intro video. So you can name it here, and you can select the design also. If you click design, so you can select the design, right? See here, so this is one kind of design. Okay, like that you can select the design. And so after selected the design, you can close it here, and you can add music. So there will be a music. If you want to change the music, you can select the music and you can add it here. Okay, and ratio, so you have to select the screen display, whether it is square, a landscape, or vertical. Okay, based on your need you can select the screen display, right? And you can find at the bottom, so slides are available. So each slides there is a text, picture, animation. Now you need to change as our own need. Okay, okay, right. So this is the first slide. Okay, and so now you want to change your own picture to this slide, right? For example, for that you have to select this right corner project option. Okay, there is a project option. Okay, right. So in this project option you have to click this project option, click and drag. Okay, so I have already selected some pictures. Okay, I just select my picture, and the picture will be coming here. So once the picture is received, so you just click the picture and you just drag and drop here. So the your image will be changed. Okay, and you can change this your picture. Okay, suppose you can change the background layout. So I can select this one. Okay, so this is the picture we can edit on our own. Now we want to change our text. Okay, for example, I have to change Tangavil. Okay, just you can enter your name. Right here you can have this text shape, size. Okay, you have alignment and text color option, so you can change the text color option also. Okay, and this text action color, you can add subtitle. Suppose if you don't want, you can also delete this name. Okay, so you can move it wherever you can move it. Okay, so this is the first slide, so we have completed. Now let me switch over to second slide. Okay, so see here, so this slide shows I am from a little town in Mary. Now you have to change on your need. Okay. For example, I am from little town. You can change. You can change like this. I'm from smart city Madurai. Okay. So now you have to change this picture, right? So for that I have already selected the picture. You have to browse based on your place. Okay. So I have already selected this Madurai temple picture. So I selected here. Once it is received this picture, you just drag and drop. Okay, see here, now the slide has finished. Yes, I am from smart city Madurai, so this picture related to Madurai. Now have a animation. Yes, so the animation is already there, no need to put any animation. Okay, now you can stop and you can switch over to the next one. Suppose if you don't want to this slide, you can select this slide. See here. Okay, and you can delete. Okay, delete this slide. Okay, right, I'm selecting this slide. Okay, I really enjoying traveling. Okay, so you can edit based on your need. Okay, I want to edit, for example, I like technology. I can input. Okay, you want to add, you can add it here. Otherwise, if you don't want, you can select and you can delete this one. Okay, now you have to insert the picture related to technology, right? So you have to go to project and click drag and drop. Okay, so you can select the picture, open. Now you can select the technology related picture, you can drag and drop here. Yes, so I like technology, so I have inserted the picture related to technology. This slide is over, you can have a preview. Yes, that's it. Okay, suppose if you want to change the time duration, you can also change it here. 3 seconds, whether it is 3 seconds or 4 seconds, you can change it here. Okay, so like that you can go on editing your text and the picture. Okay, so this is the pre-made template. Now you want to change on your own need. Okay, you don't want to change this slide, you can delete here. Okay, so this is the pre-made template. Okay, so when I am home, I love to work or play anything you want, you can edit here. Okay, for example, I like to work. Okay, now you have to change the picture related to work. Okay, you can uh, drag and drop. So you can go to picture, so I can select this one. Okay, so you can select this picture at the right side. Okay, then you have to drag and drop. Yes, that's it. Have a preview. So like that you can edit your own video. Whatever the slides you don't want, you can simply click here and you can delete it here. Okay, so lastly I want to edit here. Okay, my real passion is teaching, so you can edit based on your need. Have a preview. Yes, right. So simply you can create like this. Okay, so you can move towards the right scroll and you can find this. So you can also edit. You have to click and thank you. Okay, so you can end up with the thank you slides. If you don't want any slides, you can delete it. Okay, now have a preview of our own editing video, right? So it will take 15 seconds to load the video. Okay, so you have a preview of this video. Yes, now it's streaming. Yes, so we can simply create like this. So there is already animation. Music is there. No need to insert any music and animation. If you want to need, you can change. Otherwise, no need. Okay. So you can close this and you can. You have to save this video. Okay. For that, you have to go to export option. You can find download, share, copy link. Okay. You can share this video to anyone. Facebook, YouTube. You can share it. So you can get a copy of this link, right? And you can go to download. If you click download, so the video will be downloaded. Okay, so you can find this page. So standard quality 720p. Okay, so you can download the video here. Okay, so after downloading, you can get from the video from downloaded section, and you can use it for your own purpose. So it is very useful for personal and professional, right? Hope this video is very useful for all the teachers and students and anyone. Thank you so much.